Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to call Snapchat Sport. So if you want to contact with this Snapchat Sport, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and log into your account. After that, you have to click on the left top on your profile icon. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on the settings on the right top. Now scroll up and you have to search for the sports section, and here you will see I need help. Just click on it. Okay, now you will see different shortcuts like using Snapchat. You can select your problem right here, but if you want to contact the team, simply you have to click on the contact us. Once you will do it, here you have to select the reason why you want to contact with this Snapchat Sport. So let's suppose you can't access your account. Okay, you have to tell more, I forgot my password, and you can see it's loading step by step. Now you have to scroll up and you have to read it, and they ask still need help. Just click on yes, and here you will see our form. You have to write username, email, mobile, and after that you have to write your description. It's like you are sending email to the Snapchat team. So this is the step by step way to contact the Snapchat Sport. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.